Hi my friends, hope you all doing great. A long time back I'm doing videos again. Recently Windows has released 2 new wallpapers, and that's what we going to see in this video. The website link will be in description box, click through it, and now I'm going to demonstrate how to download those wallpapers. Here there are 2 wallpapers. One is for light theme and another wallpaper is for dark theme. Here you can download it as how I'm doing. I think this may helpful to many people. This is for today's video. Like if you liked, subscribe if you loved. See you soon with another one. Have a nice day.